Okay, so what the aim here is to create some level badges, and what I did is I got my daughter to take some photographs of me. This is one of them. This is for level 1, and I'm going to show you how I basically turn this into the level badge. And obviously it goes from the photograph and it then goes into the rendering stage. The first stage of the rendering is the sketch part, so I'm going to show you how to do that part first. Okay, so the pencil sketch is actually finished now. If you watch the video, you'll notice that I changed a little bit around the head, made it a little bit bigger by using the warping tool. Apart from that, all I did, I kept the body roughly the same as well, and I just cartoonised the hands a little bit with sharper edges and whatever. But all I did basically was just go outside of my head slightly and make my ears bigger and make my nose smaller and chin bigger. And that's just a little slight characterization. I don't like doing extreme characterizations, so you can see if I just take off the white layer, you see how much it's changed. Basically, I just as I said, made some bigger chins, pulled the jaws out, made the ears stick out slightly, and enlarged it. I did twist the head slightly because it looked a little bit silly the way it was in the photograph. So that's basically it. Okay, so we're just moving on to the rendering stage now. Which takes a little bit longer, so I hope you enjoy that part as well.